In this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle with a center lying on the line x minus 4y equals to 1, and it passes through the points 3, 7 and 5, 5. Now, in order to solve this problem, we're going to use the general equation of a circle, or the general form of a circle. The general form of a circle is given by this particular equation. Here, the constant g, f and c are used to denote the center and the radius. So the center is going to have a coordinate negative g, negative f, and the radius can be obtained by using this particular formula. Now, coming to the problem, here we have the circle passing through 2 points. Let's call them as point number A with coordinate 3, 7, and another point and represented by B with coordinate 5, 5. Now, it's also given here that the center of the circle is going to lie on the line whose equation is given to us. So that's x minus 4y equals to 1. So these are the conditions that are provided to us, and we have to determine the equation of the circle. So let's begin. So we'll start with point A. Now since the point A lie on the circle, so that means it's going to satisfy the equation of the circle, meaning we can replace the value of x with 3 and the value of y with 7 in the general form. So that means we will get 3 squared plus 7 squared added to 2gx, so that's 3, plus 2fy, so y is 7, plus c equals to 0. So we have 9 plus 49 plus 6g plus 14f plus c equals to 0. We get 6g plus 14f plus c equals to, so 49 plus 9, that's going to be 58, and we'll transpose it to the right hand side. This is going to give us one equation, so let's label this as equation number 1. Similarly, point B lie on the circle as well, so that means that particular point is also going to satisfy the equation of a circle. So we have the point 5, 5, so we get 5 squared plus 5 squared plus 2gf plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So we get 10g plus 10f plus c equals to negative 50. So this is going to be equation number 2. Now we have 3 parameters here, g, f and c, and we have only 2 equations. So we'll need one more equation in order to find out all the 3 values. So here we will use the condition that the center, which has the coordinate negative g, negative f, so this center lie on the line which is given by the equation x minus 4y equals to 1, meaning this point negative g, negative f is going to satisfy the equation of the line. So we can replace the value of x with negative g, and we can replace the value of f with negative and y with negative f, and this will be equals to 1. So this is going to give us the next equation, which is negative g plus 4f equals to 1. We're going to label this as equation number 3. Now what we'll do, let's take equation number 1, and from it we're going to subtract equation number 2. That is going to help us get rid of the parameter c for the time being, and we'll get an equation in g and f only. So we have 6g minus 10g, so that's going to be negative 4g, plus we have 14f minus 10f, so that's going to be plus 4f. C goes away, we'll have negative 58 minus of negative 50, so that means we have negative 58 plus 50, which is going to give us negative 8. What we can do here is we can factor out negative 4, so we'll have negative 4 multiplied to g minus f, and this will be equals to negative 4 times 2. We can factor out negative 4 from both sides, and this gives us the equation g minus f equals to positive 2. So let this be equation number 4. Now we have equation 3 and equation 4 that consist of only 2 parameters, g and f. We can easily find out the value. So let's take equation number 3 and add it to equation number 4. So we have negative g plus g, that's 0. 4f minus f, that's 3f, equals to 1 plus 2, so that will be equals to 3. So that means the value of f comes out to be equals to 1. Now that we have the value of f, so let's use equation number 4 and substitute the value of f with 1. So we are going to get g minus 1 equals to 2. So g value comes out to be equals to 3. Fine. So we have found out the value of f and g. Now we need to find out finally the value of c. So let's use equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 6g plus 14f plus c. So equation number 1 is 6g plus 14f plus c equals to negative 58. So we'll use the value. So we have 6 multiplied to 3 plus 14 times 1 plus c equals to negative 58. So 6 times 3 is 18 plus 14 plus c equals to negative 58. So we have 18 plus 14, so that sums up to 32 plus c equals to negative 58. So transposing 32 to the right hand side and combining with negative 58, that's going to give us negative 90. So this is the value of c. Now we can define the center. So our center, which is given by negative g comma negative f, so that comes out to be equals to negative 3 comma negative 1, and c value equals to negative 90. So we can use it to find out the radius, or the radius, which is defined by square root of negative g squared plus negative f squared minus c. We're going to get square root of the negative 3 squared was going to be equals to 9 plus negative 1 squared is positive 1. Then we have negative of negative 90, so that's positive 90. So this comes out to be square root of 100, and 100 being a perfect square, we have r equals to 10. So now that we have the center as well as the radius, we can use the standard form of a circle to find out the equation of a circle. So the standard form of a circle is given by this particular equation, x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared, where h and k represents the coordinate of the center and r is the radius. So we've obtained the center as having value negative 3 comma negative 1. So that means h value is negative 3 and k value is negative 1, and the radius is 10 units. So now we can use the standard form to get x minus h. So h value is negative 3, so we get x plus 3 whole squared plus y minus k, k value being negative 1, we get y plus 1 whole squared, and that's equals to square of the radius. Let's expand it to get x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals to 100. So we get x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 2y. So we have 9 plus 1, that's 10. We'll transpose 100 to the left hand side and combine with 10 to get negative 90, that equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the circle with the criterion that it passes through 2 points, and also we have the equation of the line which passes through the center.